Welcome or welcome back to Tahiti Dance Fitness. Today we're going to learn the Afata, a basic step. For my newbies, please subscribe. It really helps the channel to keep going. So the Afata is a move that makes a square like this with the hips, okay, and your upper body doesn't move. So the square looks like this: front, back, back, front. That's the step we're gonna learn today. So let's start very slow and then we're gonna go faster on a drum song later, okay? So bend your knees like this, feet together, and make sure to have your knees relaxed and flexible. So the hips are going to draw a square like this. It can go one side and it can be reversed. Yes, the other side like this. Okay, so let's try this move together and push right front, right back, left back, left front. Make sure to draw that square. It looks like this on the side. Push to the front, back, back, and front. Okay, so again, right hip, go to the back, go to the left, and go to the front left. Really push forward when it's to the front. All right, so again, right, back, back, front. And notice that my knees are following the hip motions, yeah? So it can be to the left, back, back, and front. Really hit the angles. Show me left, back, back, front. Awesome. So let's practice some more now. Ready? To the right, to the back, to the back, to the front, back to center, and left, back, back, front. Awesome. Okay, and let's go again. Ready? And we go right, back, back, front, back to center, and reverse. Left, don't move your upper body, and forward. Very good. So now we're going to add the heels. Yeah, it's going to add heel up and switch your heel up. Very good. Okay, and then to the left, back, back, front. You got this. So now let's go for heels up. That's how it looks at the back. Go right, back, back, front. Again. Keep going. Awesome. Great. One last time. Are you ready to reverse? And we go left, back, back, front. Keep going. Come on, go further in the corners. Lift the heel. One last time. Are you ready to practice with the music now? We're going to go faster, okay? So make sure to keep your form right. Back, back, heels on the floor. Awesome. Right. One last time. Reverse. Left, back, back, front. Come on, bigger angles. Very good. One more time. relax. Yes. So now let's practice with the heels up. Yes. And let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Don't move your upper body. 1, 2, 1. Yes. Left. Lift the heels. 1. Very good. So one last time from the back. Look at my heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Come on, push further in the corners. And don't move your upper body at all. Ready? Left. Keep practicing. One last time. Yes, you did great. I'm so proud of you. So now let's go on the side. Right hip, back, back, front. Keep going. That's how it has to look like on the side, okay? And then switch left hip, left. By now you should feel a great workout already. Let's do this one last time with close-up shots, yeah? So let's keep going for a few more seconds. Right, back, back, front. Remember, practice makes progress, and that's all we want. And have a great workout at the same time. Reverse, left. Again. Repeat. Bigger angles. Very good. From the side. 1, 2, and reverse. Ready? Left. And left. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed this training together, learning the Afata, the square motion with the hips, and that was such a great workout as well. Please tell me below how it was. Congratulations, you did great. Kisses your way, and come and join me for more classes. You have the links below. I see you for our next class. Bye.